All right, we're recording the sewer line here today at 12210 10th Avenue Southwest, Burien. The date's September 9th, 2020. Making this recording from the inside clean out here at the address provided before there, 12111, whatever that was, 12210 10th Southwest, sorry. What we're looking at here, about 115 feet down the line, as far as I can push this camera out due to a number of turns, and the length of this pipe is very long. So this is a common shared line that we're looking at right now. And on the upper right part of the screen, you'll see there's a line there that is a connecting line, branch line coming into this shared line. So this is one of the neighbors on the upper right part of the screen. This is one of the neighbors' tie-in spots for this common line. So that's where they enter the common. I'm going to come back from here. This is either 6 or 8 inch diameter sewer line. So not 100% sure of the diameter, but it's definitely a shared line, meaning that it's got a larger diameter pipe. So as I come back, you're seeing quite a bit of rock and dirt in the line. This means somewhere along the line there's a break. And usually what I'll do is come as far back as I'm seeing that rock and that dirt, and then we'll try to identify where the broken section of that line is and start our work there. So we're still seeing some rocks and dirt as we come back. Lot built up through there. There's another tie-in to the pipe there. Ooh, actually, that might be our break right there. That appears to be a broken section of sewer line. I'm going to go locate this spot right here because there's quite a bit of rock and dirt there. Let's see if I can find any further back. Oh yeah. Some more back here as well. So there's where this line connects to the common line at about 50 feet. Once it drops into the common line, there's a little bit of debris there, but not a ton. And then we start getting heavy debris down here, which is right next to where I can see a broken section of the line there up in the corner. I'm going to go out and locate this spot. Pausing the recording. Okay, we've located that spot out in the yard there. This is a new repair installed recently by the neighbor. I'm going to locate this spot real quick as well. This is where we drop into that common line. Pausing. Okay, resuming the recording. That's where we drop into the common. I'm going to zero out our footage here. We're going to come back from there. So this is the personal line of 12210 here. So I'm coming back through this. This is also an older concrete line that shows some good wear and tear on it. Probably be taken care of before we get too far going. That's that joint right there is starting to split apart pretty good. Seeing some good wear along the bottom of that pipe as well. And coming back into plastic at this point. So there's about 28 feet of 4-inch sewer line. I'm actually going to go locate this section where the plastic ends and starts concrete. So pausing one more time. Alright, resuming again. Coming back into this, what looks like 3-inch ABS plastic. All this plastic looks like it's in good shape. And then back to the old cast iron. And then up through the clean out here. There's our clean out access. And I'm ending that recording there.